Hi, good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Gaurav in Canada. And I know I am really sorry I have not been active on social media for quite some time. Reason being, I was a bit busy since I had to inform you all about the updates. And the very first update is that I have been selected as the International Student Ambassador for Lambton College, of course, and for my course, which is Hospitality Management. That is the very first update, and I'm so excited and so happy to share with you all this wonderful news. Of course, the people that follow me on Instagram, Instagram handle is right down here, Gaurav in Canada. They know I updated and I posted my picture over there that I've been selected as the International Student Ambassador. Well, and now the second important news is, which I had to share with you long time back, but I couldn't. I was really caught up with work. Is that I have got two jobs here. The very first job, I am working in a retirement home as a dietary server, and the second job, I am working at the front desk in a hotel. So the people who follow me, they know that I'm currently in Sault Ste. Marie. तो मैं सूट सेंट मेरी में हूँ अपनी सिस्टर के साथ ही. I'm staying with her only, and then here I have found two jobs which I just mentioned, one with the retirement home and the other one at the front office in a hotel. And now the third and very important update that I want to share with you all is that I have got my G license finally. So guys, मैंने अपना जीवन का टेस्ट दिया था, जीवन का रिटर्न टेस्ट दिया था, एंड जीवन के बाद डायरेक्टली मैंने अपनी जी की डेट ली थी. मैंने G2 नहीं लिया बिकॉज आई वॉज एलिजिबल फॉर जी. नाउ रिगार्डिंग दिस, आपके लिए आप जब अपनी होम कंट्री से हैं, जैसे मैं इंडिया से आया था, सो आई गॉट माई DL एक्सट्रैक्ट. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू गेट योर DL एक्सट्रैक्ट, which basically tells whether you are eligible for direct G license or you have to give G2. मैं अपना DL extract लाया था, मेरे पास ample amount of experience था, so I was directly eligible for G and I cracked it in one go. I got my G license. चलो अब इन तीनों अपडेट्स के बारे में थोड़ा थोड़ा ब्रीफ में बात करते हैं. वो अभी करते हैं नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में. So now let's talk about the International Student Ambassador, which I am working as a position for Lambton College. Now the thing is, our job is to take care of the new students right from the pre-orientation, the registration, the ongoing process, and keeping them updated about all the current scenarios, the travel procedures, everything about the college, the website, how to function about that, all the documentation and everything. So basically we keep them updated as and when we get updates from the college. We are basically the eyes, ear and mouth for the college, directing all the students and giving them all the updates. Now you might be seeing me looking down because I've got everything down. Just to tell you guys a brief about the current procedures and the things that I'm sharing with you. Of course, this is for Lambton College. I am sure students of different colleges have their different international ambassadors who are in different WhatsApp groups, and they share the information on that, about that particular college. Like how I am an admin of an official official WhatsApp group which helps the students in the orientation and everything. So let's talk about something important now. Now the thing is, I am talking about the fully vaccinated students. The fully vaccinated students are not eligible to buy the Lambton College quarantine package. They cannot buy the Lambton College quarantine package. However, they have to arrange their quarantine by themselves. So basically they cannot buy the Lambton College quarantine package because it is at an, it is a package that is created by the college for all the students. But if you are fully vaccinated, you have to arrange your self-arranged quarantine place according to the federal government requirements, and then you of course submit that plan to your college, and then at the port of entry, once you land in Canada, Final decision is always in the hands of the CBSA officers or the officers which are at the port of entry. But it is very important that you should be having a quarantine plan. A. B. You cannot buy the Lambton College quarantine plan if you're fully vaccinated. Okay. Now let's talk about the international students who are partially vaccinated or unvaccinated. So starting August of 9, 2021, the 3-night government authorized hotel stay requirement will be eliminated for all travelers arriving by air as of now. Okay. Now, the international students who are partially vaccinated or unvaccinated or not deemed exempted from quarantine at the port of entry are required to complete the following two things. Before August 9, students need to quarantine at a 3-night government hotel and then followed by 11-night Lambton College hotel. And after August 9, students need to quarantine for 14 nights straight at a Lambton quarantine hotel. Simple. It's very simple. If you're partially or you're not vaccinated, then you have to buy the Lambton College quarantine package. It is important that you give the updates to your college. You send email and you let them know that you're vaccinated or you're not vaccinated. This is the most important part. Now, because then of course the college will be accordingly sending you all the documents, the port of entry and whatnot. Now the other updates that I'm sharing with you is that if let's say for example, if you've already purchased your quarantine package but now you are fully vaccinated, can you request for a refund? Yes, 100% you can. So if a government representative at the border deemed you qualified for an exemption, you may request a refund of your quarantine package. That you need to contact the Lambton College, and after you have set up all your Canadian bank accounts so that they can send you the refund. They can also send you overseas back to your home country, but then there's no point. There will be additional charges and everything, and we don't want to get into that. Okay. Okay, so now the other important thing is what all are the vaccines that are accepted by the government of Canada. So the government of Canada is accepting Pfizer, Moderna, AstraZeneca, which is also called Covishield, and then we have Janssen or Johnson & Johnson. These are the 4 vaccines that are accepted by the government of Canada. Now it is, and also I will be sharing a few links in the description box regarding before you arrive to Canada for the Lambton College students, so that they can go through that page and have an understanding. And then it also has a lot of FAQs, the frequently asked questions. They can go through that and a lot of doubts will be cleared. So now that is about the international student ambassador thing. Now let's get to the second one, which is about the 2 jobs. So guys, let's talk about the second important update. Of course, आपको पीछे बहुत सारी पिक्चर्स एंड एवरीथिंग दिख रहा होगा. ये सेटअप है जो घर पे कर रखा है. माई सिस्टर लव्स डूइंग दिस, सो शी हैज डन एवरीथिंग दैट. So anyways, the second update is regarding the 2 jobs that I have. Now I want to update you all that it is very important. It is very important that you have a LinkedIn account, number 1. Number 2, you should apply for jobs through Indeed. These two are the very important things. LinkedIn account is basically to make your connections and to increase your reach amongst Canada and amongst the workplace and all those things. It is very important. Secondly, Indeed. You need to start applying for jobs through Indeed. It is very important. एक अपना सैम्पल रिज्यूमे रेडी रखिए आप कवर लेटर के साथ. You just attach it and send it to all the job postings that you have that are relevant. Now, second important thing over here is I do hear people saying कि jobs नहीं हैं, जॉब्स नहीं मिलती, छोटा शहर है, ये है वो है, सब जॉब्स मिलना थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट हो सकता है इफ़ यू कंपेयर इट विद बिग सिटीज़ लाइक टोरंटो, वैंकूवर, आई अंडरस्टैंड, बट ये नहीं है कि जॉब्स नहीं हैं। अगर आप विलिंग हो, इफ़ यू आर विलिंग टू डू एनी जॉब, जॉब्स बहुत हैं, बहुत हैं बॉस। बस ये कि आप विलिंग होने चाहिए। नहीं तो क्या होता है कि जैसे अभी मैं रिटायरमेंट होम में काम कर रहा हूँ, आई एम वर्किंग एज अ डाइटरी सर्वर। मेरे सामने सामने 3 लोग छोड़ चुके हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि कर ही नहीं सकते हैं। दे फाइंड इट वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू पिक अप द डिशेस, टू स्टोर देम बैक, टू सर्व पीपल। वो कर ही नहीं सकते हैं। सो यही प्रॉब्लम है कि अगर आप विलिंग हो, इफ़ यू आर विलिंग टू गिव योर मोर देन 100%, जॉब्स की कमी नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं है। आई गॉट माई जॉब जस्ट विद इन 15 डेज। 15 डेज़ के अंदर मेरे पास मेरी फर्स्ट जॉब थी, और उसके आई बिलीव 5 या 6 डेज़ के बाद मेरे को सेकंड जॉब के लिए कॉल आ गया था दैट यू हैव टू कम ओवर, गिव एन इंटरव्यू। एंड मेरे को आई गॉट बोथ द जॉब्स एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। आई एम वर्किंग बोथ द प्लेसेस। इट्स जस्ट दैट कि वेन एवर द स्केड्यूल्स आर आउट, यू हैव टू इन्फॉर्म both the companies about the schedule, so it does not clash with the timings, but otherwise. So guys, जो थर्ड इम्पॉर्टेंट अपडेट जिसकी मैंने बात की थी रिगार्डिंग द जी लाइसेंस, अब बात करते हैं G2 या G1 लाइसेंस की। बेसिकली मैंने G2 और G की, तो मैंने G दिया था। जो आपका G टेस्ट होता है उसमें आपका G2 का टेस्ट भी होता है दोबारा, और G का तो होता ही होता है। G इज़ बेसिकली they take you out on the highway and you have to drive at that particular speed and then change lanes and what not. आपके पास G लाइसेंस पहले वो एक टेम्परेरी टाइप देते हैं इन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर, एंड देन 3-4 वीक्स के बाद यू गेट अ प्रॉपर कार्ड वन। आई एम वेटिंग फॉर माई कार्ड वन, आई हैव गॉट माई टेम्परेरी वन, द पेपर वन. So these were the 3 important updates that I wanted to share with you all, guys. I know I'm really sorry I was not that active on social media and on YouTube. Of course, Instagram पे I was still posting pictures now and when, but then YouTube video को बहुत लंबा टाइम हो गया था. I really apologize guys, I'm so sorry. But then now onwards I am going to try that कि मैं ज़्यादा active YouTube पे भी रहूँ. So अभी के लिए that's it guys. इस वीडियो के बाद एक नई वीडियो भी आने वाली है, वो प्रॉबेबली, चलो नहीं बताते वो आपको, बट वो आप देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है. तो अभी के लिए चलते हैं. थैंक यू गाइस, कीप सपोर्टिंग, कीप लविंग. If you have any doubts, you know where to reach Gaurav in Canada. Anytime, anywhere, I'll be more than happy to help you. Until then, see you next time. Thank you.